If you are having issues with your browser, then watch this video to the end. I'm going to be showing you how you can create another profile on your Chrome browser. This method works both on Chrome and Edge, so ensure you watch this video to the end. What you are going to do is, once you open your Chrome browser like this, you are going to tap on your profile icon at the top right corner like this. Simply tap on it and you are going to go down. For me, I have several profiles here. So below this place you see add Chrome profile. Tap here. So here now you are going to click sign in. You can sign in with an existing email address, or you can create another email address. Let's assume you have more than one email address. In that case, you are going to sign in with the second email address. And if you don't have another email address, you can even sign in with your old email address. The advantage of this is that it is going to have a new browser entirely. So all the things that have been disturbing you in the old browser is gone. So at this point, it is a fresh browser that nothing is remembered. So with this, all the issues you are having in your former browser will no longer be here. So just click sign into your email account, enter your email address here, you click next, and that is it. The moment you create it, anytime you click on your profile icon, you will see it among the list. Okay, if it is the second one you create, you see 2 profiles. If you create up to 3, you see 3. So that is it. So that if you're having any issue with your browser, you will be able to fix it using this method. If you want to monetize your YouTube channel but you have been struggling to get up to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours per year, then ensure you watch this video, because I created this particular video for you. I'm going to leave it up here. I will also leave the link to that video in the description of this video and in my pinned comment section. So ensure you watch that video, especially towards the end of that video, because that video is going to show you how you can start making money from your pages from day one. This includes your YouTube channels, your Facebook pages, your Instagram account, your TikTok, your LinkedIn, your X account, or your profile. How you can start making money from day one. You don't need up to 1,000 subscribers, neither do you need 4,000 watch hours. And on Facebook, you don't need 5,000 followers before you can start making money from your page. So ensure you watch that video. See you there.